If you've lost access to your YouTube account and don't have access to the associated email, you can still attempt to recover it by following these steps. Step 1. Go to the YouTube sign-in page. Visit the YouTube sign-in page and click on Forgot Email. This will direct you to the account recovery options. Step 2. Enter your phone number. If you have linked your phone number to your account, enter it when prompted. You will receive a verification code via SMS that can help you regain access. Step 3. Verify your identity. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. This may include answering security questions or confirming your phone number. Make sure to provide accurate information. Step 4. Use recovery options. If you cannot verify your identity with your phone number, look for alternative recovery options. This may include answering questions about your account or providing information about when you last accessed it. Step 5. Follow up with Google support. If you're still unable to recover your account, visit the Google Account Help page. You can submit a request for further assistance or explore additional recovery options provided by Google. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of recovering your YouTube account even without access to your email. Good luck!